Welcome to this episode of Pharma Vision, brought to you by Future Pharmaceuticals magazine. Today we're here with Terri Bresenham, the Vice President of Molecular Imaging with GE Healthcare. So GE Healthcare's vision is around early health. Maybe you could give us a better idea of what this means.
Well, at GE Healthcare, we really believe in the future of patient care, that it will dramatically improve with molecular medicine. It's really the epitome of early health. And GE's molecular imaging business is designed to comprehensively address the research and clinic needs with molecular medicine, starting with preclinical imaging and tracer development through highly efficient imaging and radiopharmaceutical solutions. And really at the end, we're after the combination of improving cost equations for healthcare delivery, improving the quality of outcomes, and providing access to this type of technology around the world. And at the heart of this is innovation. It's the future of molecular imaging's business. In many ways, we're just at the beginning of this. And we're focused on changing the ways clinicians look at things like neurodegenerative diseases, treatment regimes around cardiovascular disease, and earlier detection methods for oncology. And at GE Healthcare, we are unique in that we have both the resources and the passion, but also the vision to provide our customers with solutions that they need to drive this transformation in healthcare going forward.
Molecular imaging in small animals in particular have been rapidly expanding in development over the years. Maybe you could give us a better idea of how GE is staying ahead in this competitive market.
Well, we're continuously investing in the latest technologies to support the growing needs of biomedical researchers. And we have looked at investment platforms across the basic biology, life sciences needs of cell protein separation and cell development, stem line development, as well as the preclinical imaging processes. In the case of small animal imaging or preclinical imaging, we are harnessing the benefits of digital technology and in the detection of the signals that we want to get out of these animal models. And GE Healthcare is in fact the only company to offer all digital imaging solutions in our preclinical imaging portfolio. And what does digital technology mean? It's both the ability to reduce the traditional analog noise that comes through traditional scintillators. It's a way to improve the image quality and diagnostic confidence in the end. So it's very important to this. And for example, our SPECT imaging, our use of CAD-zinc telluride, or CZT detectors, is coupled with digital imaging that can enable multiple drugs to be imaged simultaneously. And this allows researchers to quantify simultaneously different aspects of the biological process and do that at the same time, which saves money as well as less complexity with the animal handling.
So say a senior management team in a clinical facility wants to optimize its molecular imaging technology. Where would you suggest they begin?
Well, to start with, molecular imaging is a multifaceted modality where you must plan how your MI program will run from year 1 through year 10, let's say. At GE Healthcare, we are looking at that kind of wing-to-wing approach to how would I do it, and so we have the ability to provide our customers with a total molecular imaging solution encompassing not only the state-of-the-art equipment, but also site design, GMP implementation, and operations planning, as well as personnel training and consulting on regulatory affairs from our team of experts. And we touch with one touch point from our standpoint to ensure success of a greenfield, if you will, installation process. So planning and optimizing a molecular imaging facility will take an entire team with a wide variety of knowledge, and at GE Healthcare we work together with our customers to have the ideal team in place. So through GE's Tracer Center GMP platform, for example, our team of experts work with our customers' team to put together a plan to develop and operate an MI site that will fit the specific needs of that own MI program in that facility.
The molecular imaging has often been described as personalized medicine. How do you think this will translate into patient care?
Well, that's a great question, and one that makes me very excited about the future prospects of this. We can answer it both at research and the clinician's level. And first, molecular imaging at the research level and preclinical imaging specifically has the ability to reduce drug development costs and time to market. It helps to see where regulatory agencies, which are now citing imaging studies as surrogates of biomarkers or surrogates of clinical endpoints, that's the critical component in the drug review process. Both as surrogates to clinical endpoints as well as the quantification capabilities of the pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. And when quality tested drugs make it to the market sooner, patients will benefit. A second, perhaps more widely recognized definition of personalized medicine is when therapy is designed for an individual patient. And molecular imaging at the clinical level, with PET and SPECT scanners for cardiology, oncology, and neurology, has the potential to give clinicians the tools they need to define which patients will respond to certain therapies and to be able to monitor that progress throughout their treatment. So, for example, because molecular imaging is a unique combination of the anatomical as well as the functional aspects of what's going on, doctors can adjust treatment plans literally in real time versus the traditional approach of having to wait an entire sequence of treatments cycles to see if it's changed it anatomically.
Well, thank you, Terri, very much for joining us today.
Thank you, Jamie.
And thank you to our viewers.